In any Makeup Effects workshop, you find the work is split across departments. Those departments will have artists who often specialize in handling a specific process. It might be the mold making department, sculpting, fabrication, casting, the animatronics or painting departments. All of them are divided by process. By dividing my video lessons and tutorials by process, I hope to make it easier for you to navigate the lessons you're most interested in. I also find that if you're working on a sculpture, say, it can be motivational and inspiring to binge watch a number of different tutorials on sculpture. So by grouping all the sculpture lessons together, maybe you'll find something you may have missed at another time. By separating into processes, it also allows me to create mini tutorials. Some of these tutorials are only a few minutes long, but they're a very specific topic, technique or idea that maybe didn't fit into a larger project, but was still something that I think was really important to share with you.